Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. We are starting the 2021 school year, and we are so excited to be back in the building teaching our students. Our principal is Miss Angela Linscomb, and our assistant principal is Miss Melanie Winter. Today is Monday, October 5th, 2020. Today we welcome back our pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade students. Everyone is so excited to have our students back in the building. Please join me as we say the Pledge of Allegiance and we have a moment of silence. Everyone stand. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today we have Motivational Monday. We are excited as we begin this new week, and we have a lot of exciting things that are going to be happening throughout this week to get us back into the swing of going to school each day. So our Motivational Monday words of wisdom for today are from one of our favorites, Dr. Seuss. You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. We have a lot of great things that are going to be happening, and we might have a few mountains, but that's okay. We're going to get started, and we're going to have a great day, a week, and a great year. We have a couple of birthdays today. That's super exciting. Happy birthday to Kenyon Griffin and Jamile Chester. Happy birthday! Today's announcements. Teachers, please explain our new arrival and dismissal procedures to students. Students, if you were here last year, things are going to be a little bit different at arrival and dismissal, and that's okay. It might be some new things to learn, but we will show you exactly where you need to go and what you need to do, and it will be easy peasy very soon. Students, you need to work on learning your new car line number. If you're a car rider, you and your brothers and sisters will all be called together for that one number. So it's very important that you know your family's number. You need to practice this at home and make sure everybody knows what your family's number is. And then in the afternoon, you'll be listening very carefully as your number is called. Students, one more thing. Also, please be sure that you are keeping yourself and your friends safe and well. Wear your mask, cough or sneeze in your elbow, and wash your hands. That's all for today's news. We hope you have a marvelous Monday.